Hello dear students, hope you all are fine and safe. Chapter 3 HCF and LCM. Dear students, in this chapter you will be able to know about factors and multiples, to recognize the common factors of set of numbers, various properties of factors and know about the terms HCF and LCM of two or more numbers and how to calculate them and use them in different real life situations. You will be able to state the relationship between the HCF and LCM of two numbers and use it to solve problems. Let's see the slide Factors and Multiples. Factor: a number that can divide a given number exactly without leaving any remainder is called a factor of the given number. Let us see from the example given in the slide. You can see the factors of 48. 48 divided by 1 will give you 48. 48 divided by 2 will give you 24. 48 divided by 3 gives you 16. 48 divided by 4 gives you 12. 48 divided by 6 it gives you 8. Similarly, you can see in the next slide also, whenever 48 divided by any of the number, it leaves no remainder. So, it means none of these divisions leave any remainder. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48 are the factors of 48. Let's move to the next slide, multiple. A multiple of any natural number is a number formed by multiplying it by another natural number. As you can see it in the example, let us find the multiples of 18. 18 multiply 1 equals to 18. 18 multiply 2 equals to 36. 18 multiply 3 equals to 54. 18 multiply 4 equals to 72. 18 multiply 5 equals to 90. 18 multiply 6 equals to 108. Here 18, 36, 54, 72, 90 and 108 are multiples of 18. As you can see, we can take another example like multiple of 5. So, we can write it that as the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. In the same way, we can write the multiples of 10 as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 or so on. Dear students, please remember a number has unlimited multiples and every number is a multiple of itself. Now, let's see in an example. Let us find the HCF and LCM of 36, 30, 45 by finding their common factors and multiples. Now, see, factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. It means when you divide 30 by 1, it will leave you no remainder. Same like that, 30 divided by 2 will give you 15. 30 divided by 3 will give you 10. So, same like that, in that case where there is no remainder left, you will write it as factors. Now, factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36 and factors of 45 are 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Now you can see it here, the common factors. 1 and 3 are common among all these three. So the common factors of 30, 36 and 45 are 1 and 3. Hence the highest common factor is 3. Therefore, we will write it as HCF equals to 3. Now dear students, we will find out the LCM of 30, 36, 45 by checking their multiples. As you can see here, multiples of 30 are 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180 and so on. Multiples of 36, 36, 72, 108, 144, 180 and so on. Multiples of 45, 45, 90, 135, 180 and so on. So you can see it here, the lowest common multiple is 180. So therefore we will write LCM equals to 180. Dear students, we can also say the LCM of given numbers is the smallest number that is multiple of given numbers. Dear students, I hope you all must have understood how to find out factors, multiples, HCF and LCM of given numbers. So, keep practicing the assignments relating to video so that you may have better concept clearance. All the best.